Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of outlier. We already know what is meant by outlier. Simply, it is a data point that is different from other data points in the data set. How do we are identify the outliers? So, the point that away from the given range, that is called outlier, and those are calculated by using IQR. Now, how do we calculate the range? So, the range is calculated by using lower bound is equal to Q1. What is mean by Q1? 25th percentile minus 1.5 into IQR, and upper bound is equal to Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. If any value that falls below the lower bound and above the upper bound, such points are considered as the outliers. For understanding, we will take one example data set. Suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Assume this is my data set. What is the first one? First to calculate Q1. 1 by 4 into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 elements. So Q1 in the sense 25 by 100. Obviously 1 by 4. The index is equal to 2. So what is the value? 20. So 25th percentile 2 is the index. At index 2, 20 is available. 20 is my Q1 value. Now calculate Q3. 3 by 4 into 8. Q3 in the sense 75th percentile. 75 by 100 into 8. So 6. What is the sixth element? 60. So at the index 6, my Q3 available 60. Now calculate IQR. IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. I think you know the formula. I3R is equal to IQR 75th percentile minus 25th percentile. 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. This is IQR. Now based on this, calculate the lower bound. Lower bound Q1, that is 20 minus 1.5 into 40. So what is the value? 20 minus 1.5 into 40. So 15 4 are 60. 60. The answer is minus 40. LB value we are getting minus 40. Suppose upper bound Q3. What is the value of Q3 I am getting? 60 plus 1.5 into 40. So 60 plus 60 is equal to 120. Now what is the range we are getting? Minus 40 to 120. Now if any value in the data set that falls below 40, below minus 40 and above 120, such points are called outliers. Anyway, for our example, there is no outlier. Assume here instead of 80, 130 is there. Even though we changed 80 to 130, there is no problem in Q1, Q3, IQR, lower bound and upper bound. Now if you observe 130, it is outside the range. So 130 is an outlier. Simply removes from the data set to get the accurate results. You got it? This is the way to calculate outliers. Thank you.